Watching your Shiba Inu tokens drop can be gut-wrenching. Many investors are asking, is this the end for SHIB? The wild gains of the past have faded, replaced by anxiety and uncertainty. But this isn't just a Shiba Inu problem. Markets everywhere are under pressure. To understand SHIB's future, we need to look at the bigger picture macroeconomic forces, industry shakeups, and where meme coins fit in. This isn't financial advice, but a clear look at the facts. We'll break down what led to this crash, what both critics and supporters are saying, and what's happening inside the Shiba Inu project. Is the dream over, or just evolving? Let's find out. The entire crypto market is in turmoil, not just Shiba Inu. Over the past several months, we've seen a dramatic shift in investor sentiment, with fear and uncertainty gripping the markets. It's not just one coin or one project. Almost every major cryptocurrency has been affected, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins and meme coins. The reasons behind this widespread downturn are complex, but they all add up to a perfect storm for crypto investors. Global inflation and rising interest rates have made investors risk-averse, pushing them away from assets like crypto. Central banks around the world are tightening monetary policy to fight inflation, which means borrowing money is more expensive, and there's less cash flowing into risky investments. As a result, people are pulling their money out of volatile assets and looking for safer places to park their funds. When Bitcoin falls, it drags the whole market down, including meme coins like SHIB. Bitcoin acts as the anchor for the entire crypto ecosystem, so when its price tumbles, it sets off a chain reaction. Altcoins and meme coins often experience even sharper declines as investors rush to minimize their losses. Catastrophic events like the collapse of Terra USD and Luna have shattered trust and triggered a wave of fear. These high-profile failures have made investors question the stability of the entire crypto space, leading to even more selling and panic. When trust is broken, it takes a long time to rebuild. This is what analysts call a bear market. Prices fall, fear spreads, and selling accelerates. In a bear market, negative sentiment feeds on itself, and even good news can get ignored as investors focus on minimizing risk. It's a tough environment for everyone involved. It's a cycle. Panic leads to more panic, and even strong projects get caught in the spiral. As prices drop, more investors panic and sell, which pushes prices down even further. This self-reinforcing loop can last for months, making it difficult for any single coin to break free from the trend. Shiba Inu's decline is part of this broader downturn, not just a reflection of its own fundamentals. Even projects with strong communities and active development are struggling to hold their value in these conditions. It's important to remember that SHIB is moving with the market, not against it. The current pain is market-wide, not unique to SHIB. Every investor is feeling the impact, whether they hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or meme coins. The entire crypto ecosystem is under pressure, and it's a challenging time for everyone involved. Understanding this context is key to seeing the bigger picture. By recognizing the forces at play, investors can make more informed decisions and avoid reacting purely out of fear. The crypto market has always been volatile, but knowing why things are down can help you navigate these turbulent times with a clearer perspective. Shiba Inu soared on hype and community energy, but that same momentum made it vulnerable when the market turned. As fear took over, meme coins like SHIB were among the first to be sold. The price drop was amplified by its speculative nature and lack of real-world utility at the time. Negative headlines and social media FUD accelerated the decline. Without strong utility, SHIB struggled to find a price floor. The team recognized this and began focusing on building real projects. The crash exposed the risks of hype-driven assets, but also set the stage for a shift towards substance. We'll look at those new developments next. Experts are split on SHIB's future. Critics say its rise was a meme-fueled fluke, lacking real utility and destined to fade as hype dies. They point to its massive supply and dependence on social trends as weaknesses. Supporters argue the SHIB Army's community power and ongoing development are unique strengths. Projects like Shibarium and the SHIB metaverse are transforming it from a meme coin into a real ecosystem. Optimists see the current downturn as temporary, not terminal. The debate centers on whether SHIB can evolve beyond speculation. Shiba Inu began as an experiment in decentralized community building, launched by the mysterious Ryoshi. The SHIB army, its passionate global community, is the project's backbone. During the bull run, they drove SHIB's viral growth. Now, they're its support system in tough times. This community has attracted developers and creators, fueling real projects and innovation. Unlike other meme coins that faded, SHIB's community is building for the future. The shift from hype to mission is crucial. Real development is now underway. The SHIB army provides the social foundation while new projects aim to deliver technological value. Whether this transition succeeds remains to be seen, but it's a deliberate move to outlast the meme coin phase. Community strength is SHIB's greatest asset. One of the most persistent criticisms facing SHIB, or Shiba Inu, is its enormous token supply. With hundreds of trillions of tokens in circulation, many skeptics have questioned whether SHIB could ever achieve meaningful value. However, the Shiba Inu team is actively addressing this challenge through a process known as token burning, a deliberate and permanent removal of tokens from circulation. By burning tokens, the overall supply is reduced, which in theory should make each remaining token more valuable over time. This approach is similar to how scarcity can drive up the price of rare collectibles or limited edition items. The team has already burned billions of tokens, and they have committed to making burning a core part of SHIB's ongoing strategy. The upcoming Shibarium network is a major step forward. With every transaction on Shibarium, a portion of SHIB will be burned automatically. This means that as more people use the network for transactions, games, or decentralized apps, the supply of SHIB will steadily decrease, directly linking the token's utility to its scarcity. But the vision for SHIB goes far beyond just burning tokens. The team is focused on building real-world utility, starting with the SHIB metaverse. In this digital world, SHIB tokens will be used to buy virtual land, participate in games, and interact with other users, creating a vibrant online community where the token has genuine use. This approach is designed to create a closed-loop economy where SHIB is not just a speculative asset, but a functional currency within its own ecosystem. Users will be able to earn, spend, and trade SHIB in a variety of ways, giving the token a purpose that extends far beyond simple trading. The ecosystem is expanding rapidly, with projects like Shibarium, the SHIB metaverse, ShibaSwap, and a planned blockchain-based game all being developed to work together. Each project is designed to reinforce the others, creating a network effect that could drive long-term growth and adoption. Ultimately, the goal is to build a self-sustaining ecosystem where demand for SHIB is driven by real utility and community engagement. If successful, this could help SHIB transition from a meme coin to a legitimate player in the world of decentralized finance and digital economies. Of course, the success of these ambitious plans depends on the team's ability to deliver on their promises and attract real users to the platform. Community support, developer innovation, and ongoing engagement will all be crucial factors in determining SHIB's future. In the end, the future of SHIB will be shaped not by hype or speculation, but by the team's ability to execute and bring their vision to life. Execution, not just excitement, will determine whether SHIB can truly evolve. As the next chapter unfolds, all eyes will be on what the Shiba Inu team builds, because in the world of crypto, lasting value comes from real innovation and tangible progress. For SHIB to truly go to zero, it would take more than just a dip in price or a bad news cycle. The entire project, its underlying technology, and the passionate community supporting it would have to completely unravel, an event that, at least for now, seems far-fetched. The Shiba Inu community remains active, with developers, investors, and enthusiasts constantly engaging in discussions, sharing updates, and working on new initiatives. This level of involvement makes a total collapse unlikely in the near future. Still, the crypto market is notorious for its volatility. We've seen brutal downturns before, periods when even the strongest coins seemed on the brink of extinction. Yet, history shows that projects with solid foundations and dedicated teams often survive these storms, and sometimes even come out stronger on the other side. The real question now is whether Shiba Inu can weather the current uncertainty and emerge as a more resilient project. Every challenge is a test of both technology and community resolve. The upcoming launch of Shibarium, Shiba Inu's much-anticipated Layer 2 solution, will be a defining moment. It's not just a technical upgrade, it's a chance to prove the project's long-term vision and adaptability. If Shibarium succeeds, it could mark a major turning point, restoring confidence and attracting new interest. But if it fails to deliver, it could shake the faith of even the most loyal supporters. The risks are real and should not be underestimated, but so is the potential for a remarkable comeback. Crypto history is full of projects that bounced back from the brink. For investors, it's crucial to balance fear with facts, stay informed, analyze developments, and remember that SHIB is evolving, not standing still. The landscape is shifting, and adaptability is key. Whether you're a long-term holder, a newcomer, or a skeptic watching from the sidelines, the best approach is to keep learning, stay curious, and watch the project's progress with an open mind. Don't let hype or panic dictate your decisions. Take the time to research, question, and understand the bigger picture. In a market driven by emotion, staying calm and rational is your greatest asset. For balanced updates, expert analysis, and the latest on Shiba Inu and the wider crypto world, stay tuned to Crypto Insider.